Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we're back to dealing with our Hyundai Entourage, and we have an interesting situation that has creeped up today, where with this door, just does not quite close all the way. So watch it close and listen for the clunk. So she's not going the whole way. Now I've always had some issues with this door in the past. It kind of needs a little tug to sort of get going, sort of like me in the morning, I guess. Need a little push, but now we'll watch it close from this angle here. No, that's a separate issue with the door. I asked my dad, the assistant, to just give that a little tug there. You gotta just pull the handle and just tug it a little bit. Pull the handle out and tug a bit. Good, there she goes. Okay, so that sucks. So now when we open it again, we will see that again means it's morning push. I'm not sure how good this video is for this. Actually, this iPad is flipped really the wrong way. I'm gonna clip. Stop here. Okay, here we are. You see here, this bar is straight down that metal thing, and then when we go look over at this side, see, it looks different. So there's a little. This door actually closes properly. So the mouth is open, you know, so it has an opportunity to hook in. So you can see where the screwdriver is pointed there. We're just jimmying around with this right now, see if we can figure out how to open that up, see if it solves our problem. So more to come in a minute. Okay, so what we've discovered is that over on the other side, we don't have this sort of setup. This mouth is sort of open and ready to close. Where ours seems, now that seems to be like 3 positions. That's position 1, ready to close. When I click it once, that's sort of what the position we're in over there. Yeah. When I click it twice, that's another position that it was in. It seemed to be stuck in. But what happens when I pull this door handle, a little bar comes up from the bottom and pushes that piece back into the open and ready to close position. It does. There it goes. So you see, now this will close fine. Okay, so here we are. This is the messed up door, and that I've clicked back to like position 3. And now if I can, if you want to pull on that door handle, Dad, you'll see that it kind of pops out a little bit. And then once it opens back up, we'll be able to see that it's kind of almost ready. Oh, this camera is so much visible. See, we're kind of just a little bit of help, it's there, but that bar is not pushing it all the way up. So we're going to take that off and see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, so again, we got to try and get this thing up. It doesn't seem to want to go up, but it seems like from a little bit of YouTube research that I just did, it seems that when you pull on the handle, then you can have the opportunity to move it up. But as soon as I pull on the handle, the power door is going to want to close. So I'm going to turn the power door off inside. So now when I pull on the handle, shouldn't try and shut it anymore. And while I'm pulling on the handle, I'm going to try and lift that up. And there it goes. So now we have the mouth open. So I'm going to turn the power back on. We'll see if it closes. Bazinga.
Bazinga.
Now, the question is it gonna, what caused that? And is it gonna work the second time? So, let's try this.
It remained open.
It's still open? All right, another pull. And we're back in business. So hopefully that continues to work, but the trick is to pull on the handle and lift up on the thing to get it back into the open position. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Fixing Random Crap.